Welcome to Beaufort, the county seat of Beaufort County and the second oldest city in South Carolina behind Charleston. A city of rich history, southern hospitality, and casual seaside charm. The Queen of the Carolina Sea Islands was discovered by the Spanish in 1514 and charted by the British in 1711. The city of Beaufort is situated in the southeastern corner of the state, about 70 miles south of Charleston and about 40 miles north of Savannah. Recreation is a large part of life in our area. Excellent municipal and community parks where our residents enjoy communing with nature, family outings and picnics. Golfing is available and enjoyed in our area year-round due to the moderate climate and excellent quality of numerous courses, sure to challenge the duffer as well as the pro. Field & Stream magazine rated Beaufort as one of the top 20 fishing towns in the United States. The downtown marina is Beaufort's nautical gateway to the Intracoastal Waterway and the surrounding sea islands. Hunting Island State Park is one of the most popular state parks and beach areas in South Carolina. The Hunting Island Beach attracts over 1 million visitors a year. The pristine sandy beaches, natural setting and warm Atlantic Ocean make a perfect getaway. The Hunting Island Historic Lighthouse is the only lighthouse open to the public to climb in the state. The University of South Carolina Beaufort has a performing arts center which attracts regional and national acts to the community. The area is full of historic homes, plantations, and excellent museums to enjoy. We are proud to be home to Marine Corps Air Station Beaufort, home to the Marine Corps Atlantic Coast Fixed-Wing Fighter Attack Aircraft Assets, and the Marine Corps Recruit Depot Parris Island, where all male enlisted recruits from the east of the Mississippi River are trained. Our military brings a great deal of financial support to this area's economy. Our schools are strong in the basics, and there are many private and parochial schools to choose from. For higher education, the University of South Carolina Beaufort and the Technical College of the Low Country Beaufort campus are eager to train the next generation of professionals. Beaufort Memorial Hospital and Naval Hospital Beaufort are committed to providing the most technologically advanced equipment, programming services, and care resources available for our residents and military dependents. For your family spiritual needs, there are many denominations represented, all eager to welcome newcomers. Beaufort County is full of pleasant neighborhoods and beautiful homes. From the reasonably priced homes and planned communities, to spectacular executive homes. Homes along the waterways where you can dock your boat at your back door. Historic homes in mature neighborhoods. From affordable starter homes to multi-million-dollar estates. The local market easily accommodates the full spectrum of tastes and lifestyles. Whatever your housing requirements, you'll find what you're looking for in beautiful Beaufort County. Won't you come and join us?